Now question number 28. Suppose f of x equals a plus bx when x less than 1 and 4 when x equals 1 and b minus ax when x greater than 1, and if limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1, what are possible values of a and b? In the question, for values x less than 1, the function is defined as a plus bx. For values x greater than 1, it is defined b minus ax. And for x equals 1, it is defined f of x equals 4. In that case, we are asked to find out the possible values of a and b provided limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. Now, LH limit of f of x, that is limit x tends to 1 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus. For values less than 1, the function to be accounted is a plus bx. A plus bx, and it is equal to 1 a plus b into 1, that is a plus b. Now limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus values greater than 1 b minus ax, that is b minus ax, that's equal to b minus a into 1, that is b minus a. And it is given that limit x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1. Limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. Limit x tends to 1 f of x is a plus b is equal to f of 1 is 4. 1. Also, limit x tends to 1 minus must be equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, because it is said that limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. Therefore, this a plus b and b minus a should be equal. One plus 2. 2b equals 8, b equals 4. Putting b equals 4 in 1, a plus 4 equals 4 implies a equals 0. Therefore, answer to the question is a equals 0 and b equals 4. Once again, in the question it is given that for values of x less than 1, the function to be accounted is a plus bx. For values x greater than 1, the function to be accounted is b minus ax. It is given that limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. Limit x tends to 1 exists when limit x tends to 1 minus is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus. Limit x tends to 1 minus is found to be a plus b, and limit x tends to 1 minus is found to be a plus b, and limit x tends to 1 plus is found to be b minus a. Since limit x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1 given in the question, we can say this a plus b and b minus a should be equal for the existence of limit x tends to 1. So we can write two equations, a plus b equals 4, b minus a equals 4. Solving it, we get a equals 0 and b equals 4. Right.